Darius Popella, who might have expected that he would challenge for a final as well, but not this week. As we look at the next of the Swiss paddler, Chiarello. I think he's had some good results on this course as well, if my memory serves me correct.
Yeah, and he did live here for a few years, so he has experience on this course, and I think he likes racing here.
So if he can be under 2 seconds at the last split, he could be... Actually, no, that's... so we have the race leader at the moment is Benjamin Renier, and his time was a raw time, so he had no penalties for his 95.11. So that is the time that everyone is being compared to at the moment. We see those split times come